We all know that cranberry sauce is an essential addition to our Thanksgiving table, and today I have a recipe for fresh cranberry sauce that will make everyone's taste buds sing.
Here I'm doing a quick grate of the orange peel. This is so wonderful to smell, and it's going to add so much really wonderful flavor. And I'm using an electric juicer that can be purchased really inexpensively, and it's well worth the purchase. I'll add a link to one so that you can take a look at them. But it's going to make quick work of this. There we go. You want to add your sugar, the grated orange peel, the orange juice, and the ginger to your pan. Stir it. And you're going to heat this until it gets hot and bubbly. Once the sugar mixture has dissolved, it's time to add the cranberries. Just put them all in all at once. And now you want to bring this to a boil. You're going to cook this just until the cranberries are popping. They're just going to burst open. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see how the skin is just starting to split. I'm going to let this go just a little bit more. Most all of them have started to split open. And that's when the pectin is being released, and they're going to thicken up nice. Then just let it cool and enjoy fresh cranberry sauce.